Hello learners, I'm Akash. I completed my BTech from NIT Rourkela in the year 2020. Currently, I'm a mathematics teacher. Now let's see how to solve this given question. Here we have to find the condition for the chord lx plus my equal to 1 of this circle to subtend right angle at the origin. Now I'll just draw a small diagram to explain like what exactly is happening here. See, basically, let's let me take it without the coordinate axis. It will give bit, or else fine. Wait, I'll put the coordinate axis. This is a circle. If you'll observe the circle is x square plus y square equal to a square. So its center is 0 comma 0 origin. I know it's not exactly that good, but I hope it's adjustable. And radius is a. Now let's take the chord to be somewhere like this. Okay, let's take the chord as somewhere like this. This is our chord lx plus my is equal to 1. Now what exactly is happening is now if you'll connect find the condition for the chord of the circle to subtend right angle at the origin. What does it mean is, see, a chord, we know that a chord meets a circle at 2 points. So take this point as A and take this point as B. This is a rough diagram, so it will not be exact. So this chord should subtend a right angle at origin. Okay, so this angle, they want it to be 90 degrees. Okay. Now to do this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out the equation to the pair of lines OA and OB. Okay, I'm going to find out equation to the pair of lines OA and OB, and then I'm going to use that the pair of lines are perpendicular, that condition. Now how can I get the pair of lines OA and OB? Homogenization. That's how it goes. Right? This is just a brief, like, see, when to apply homogenization is also something you guys need to know. I know many of you are not interested, but for those of you who are interested, when to apply homogenization is, see, homogenization is used whenever we want to find out equation to the pair of lines passing through the origin and passing through the points of intersection of one curve meeting the other curve. Fine. So passing through the points of intersection of the straight line meeting a curve, like this line is meeting, right, this curve circle in this case, the points of intersection and pair of lines passing through origin and these points of intersection. This, if you want to get this, then you have to use homogenization for this purpose, and once you homogenize you get a second degree equation. Fine. Now, so this is what homogenization is used for. Now this given circle is this x square plus y square minus a square is 0. Working is very simple, it's a short one only. Fine. Now given chord is this, it's already RHS is 1, so I need not have to simplify the equation 2. Okay, it's already there like that. Now let the chord, this is description of whatever I explained to you. Let the chord meet the circle at the points A and B. You can see this diagram. Let the chord meet the circle at points A and B. I put the equation of the chord, so it's a straight line. Fine, next, and the equation to the lines OA and OB is obtained by homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation 2. Homogenization means, right, linear term will get a 1 and constant term will get 1 square. So a square is a constant term. There are no linear terms in this equation. So this one will become x square plus y square minus a square into 1 square. Now 1 is what? This lx plus my. Substitute it. Very easy. Lx plus my whole square. Expand the square. L square x square plus m square y square plus 2lx plus 2lmxy. Okay. 2lx_my, that means 2lmxy. That's what I am going to get. Now next, multiply this a square minus a square, in fact minus a square l square x square and minus a square m square y square minus 2 a square lmxy is equal to 0. This is the equation that you are going to get. Now next, what you have to do, group them. How to group them? Basically x square you can take common. See, from these two terms, from what are the x square terms? This is a term containing x square and this is a term containing x square. Now from these two terms, if you take x square common, you will be left out with 1 minus a square l square, like this. Now from these two terms, this one and this one, if you will take y square common, you will get y square into 1 minus a square m square minus 2a square lmxy is nothing but 0. Hope it makes sense whatever I told. Now see, for this chord to subtend a right angle, okay, for this chord, see, this chord is subtending right angles means what? This chord is subtending right angle means what? Our pair of lines are perpendicular. Our pair of lines are perpendicular. Okay. Now, for the pair of lines to be perpendicular, we know the condition, right? The above pair of lines. This is the equation to the pair of lines. After homogenization, what I would get is nothing but the pair of lines, equation to the pair of lines OA and OB. Acha, by the way, this you can put a two-headed arrow line, right? So you can put a two-headed arrow here. Fine. Now next, hence coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square must be 0. You might have learned, right? A plus b must be 0. Cos theta formula is mod a plus b by under root a minus b whole square plus 4h square, and in the if theta is 90 degrees, that means cos theta is 0. That means a plus b is 0. That means what? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is 0. Okay. So what is coefficient of x square here? 1 minus a square l square. What is coefficient of y square? 1 minus a square m square. Should be 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. Send these two terms to the RHS. Can I take something common from these two? Just observe. Can I take something common from these two? Yes. A square I can take common. So a square, if you will take common, L square plus m square. Now write LHS as RHS and RHS as LHS. So a square into L square plus m square is 2. This is the condition that you would get if the chord subtends right angle at the origin. Okay. Hope you didn't get bored, and I feel I did a decent job. If you felt nice, let me know in the comments. This was an easy question from homogenization. Working wasn't much. I mean, this number of steps aren't many. The number of steps aren't many, but yes, if you understand the concept how it's working, you can use it for other questions as well. Anyways, thank you.